You would have repeatedly heard that photosynthesis is a process which uses CO2 from the air to produce glucose. But why should we just accept things? Let's test it out on our own. Let's set up an activity through which we can confirm that CO2 is indeed needed during photosynthesis. So, what all would we need? We would need a wide-moutted bottle, some potassium hydroxide, a splitted cork, some iodine, and of course, a plant. But this is not any ordinary plant. In fact, you will need to starve the plant for at least a week by keeping it in a dark room away from sunlight. This ensures that all the starch that was there in it gets used up and you get a completely destarched plant. Now, take the wide-moutted bottle and put some potassium hydroxide pellets or potassium hydroxide solution in it. Why? Because potassium hydroxide will absorb all the CO2 present inside the bottle. Now, cover the mouth with a split cork. Take one of the leaves and push it through the cork into the bottle. After this, keep this entire setup in sunlight. Now, take a look at the entire setup for a second. The plant is now divided into two parts. One part is the leaf, which is kept in a CO2 less environment, whereas the remaining part is open to the environment that contains carbon dioxide. Now, leave the plant alone for some time. After that, take some iodine solution and drop a few drops on one of the leaves outside and some on the leaf inside the bottle. You will notice that the outside leaf turns bluish black in color while the one inside the bottle turns brown. So, this clearly proves the importance of carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis, as bluish black indicates that starch has been formed while brown color indicates the lack of starch. So friends, in this video, we saw that CO2 is indeed needed during photosynthesis through an activity. Till next time, happy learning!